Hello everyone, this is Rajni and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a very useful and common phrasal verb, pitch in. We will not only understand its meaning but also see it in action with some examples. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we will try to understand what does pitch in mean. Well, pitch in is used when someone contributes or helps in collective effort. It is a great phrasal verb to use while talking about teamwork or sharing responsibilities. Now let's see how this phrasal verb works in sentences. The most common use of pitch in is when someone helps out, especially in a group or team setting. For example, everyone pitched in to clean up the park after the event. If we all pitch in, we can finish this task within 2 days. My friends pitched in to help me move to my new apartment. Another way to use pitch in is when people contribute money for a shared purpose. It can be for buying a gift, organizing an event, or helping someone in need. For example, we all pitched in to buy our friend a birthday gift. Everyone in the neighborhood pitched in to fix the community playground. The employees pitched in to cover the cost of the office party. Sometimes pitch in can also be used when someone contributes work or effort, not just physically helping out, but mentally or emotionally as well. For example, the entire team pitched in ideas for the new marketing campaign. I really appreciate how everyone pitched in to make this event successful. Now let's summarize. Pitch in can be used in different contexts, helping physically, contributing money, or putting in efforts. And now you can start using it confidently in your conversation. That is all for today's session. If you found this video helpful, make sure to pitch in by liking this video and subscribing to the channel so you never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.